Alrighty, what is going on, guys? It is Joe and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today is a rest day, a day off from the weights, but is not a day off from the diet or actually from cardio as well. We're taking you through a full day of eating here, showing you some new ideas, some new stuff, good, healthy food that tastes good to get you nice and shredded. What we had for breakfast was actually 2 blueberry protein muffins that I had in my last video. So we had 2 of those, guys. And what we have here right now is a little bit of a pre-cardio snack. So we have 1 Granny Smith apple, roughly 220 grams, with 2 servings of PB Fit with a little bit of water mixed in to make it a nice peanut buttery consistency, as well as a cup of coffee, my friends. Special here, no magic here, but we have an apple and quote-unquote peanut butter, but using the PB Fit, you're getting more protein, you're getting less calories. Same peanut butter and fruit snack, which I love, but peanut butter is just a little too calorically dense for me. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter is like 200 calories. No way, Jose. This right here with our 2 servings is 140 calories. I could have got away with 1, but we wanted a little bit more. Calories for the entire day is 458 calories. Overall macros going today so far: 38 grams of protein, 67 grams of carbs, 16 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of fat. Let's go ahead and give this apple and PB Fit combination a little bit of a taste test. And there's a lot of PB Fit here. If we have this much peanut butter with this much apple, it'd be like 600 calories, no problem. Granny Smith apple, by the way, the goat of all apples. Eat this snack, drink this coffee, bang out 45 minutes of cardio on the stationary bike, and I will see you guys as the day rolls on. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are back here with the next meal of the entire day. 6 slices of French toast, 50 grams of blueberries, 2 servings of Miss Buttersworth sugar-free syrup, 200 grams of strawberries as well. Little life hack, little strawberry hack here. One of my favorite things as a wee lad was actually strawberries with sugar on it. Now, instead of adding sugar, what we did was take a packet of Splenda and just sprinkled it all over the strawberry right here. Ooh. As you can see, new apron, who dis, right? Chef Joe. Literally, that was my caption for this picture that I posted on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Total calories for this meal, 779 calories. Total calories for the entire day, 1,237 calories so far. 102 grams of protein, 184 grams of carbs, 27 grams of fiber, and 12 grams of fat, my friends. That's enough talking, though. Let's add a little bit more of this Miss Buttersworth to this bad boy here. Throw some on some strawberries. Why not? Go ahead and give this French toast a little bit of a taste test. This, my friends, is a heaping stack of toast. Hey, the bigger and the girthier, the better. Is that what she said? I don't know.
I want you to think about it long and hard. That's what she said. Don't you dare.
Superset a little strawberry Splenda sugar-free syrup. Absolutely delicious. Ridiculously good. Oh my gosh. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and eat this, and I will see you guys as the day rolls on. Alrighty, and we are here with the next meal, ladies and gentlemen. What we got going on here is a wrap and a salad. More vegetables than last time. For these 2 things, clocking in at a total of 470 calories. 470 calories, a bowl and a wrap. Very low calorie. We have a Joseph Lavash bread, 5 ounces of salmon. We have tomato, baby spinach, mushroom. We have G. Hughes barbecue sauce. We have some cucumber. We have not 1, not 2, but 3 doctors in the house, right? 3 Diet Dr. Peppers to go along with it. Get that carbonation. Make me feel full. Make me feel satisfied. And, here we go. Let's just give this rapid taste test. Let's dig right into it. Total calories for the entire day, 1,706 calories, and then overall macros for the entire day, 150 protein, 221 carb, 37 fiber, and then 27 fat. Let's give this big old bitch a taste test right here. I pretty much got all spinach with that bite right there. Let me munch on this real quick. Let me take down some of the girth on this bad boy and get into a lot more of the good stuff. My wrap's taking a bit of a shit here at the bottom. Hang on. So here's more of a better bite, right? We got a little bit of everything: salmon, tomato, mushroom, cucumber, romaine lettuce, spinach, and the bread. So let's give this bad boy a bite right there. I have to superset this salad here. Get a little bit of sauce, tomato, romaine lettuce, a little bit of salmon on here. Nothing else much to it. This is the next meal. I did, however, cook something you have never seen on the channel before. I'm going to eat this, and it's actually going to be my dessert. Alrighty, what we got here, ladies and gentlemen, this is the dessert I was talking about. This right here is a blueberry cheesecake cookie, and so I'll basically leave the entire recipe and also the Instagram link of the reel of where I found this at. It looked good, so I said, why not? Let's give it a taste test. For one of these cookies, it is 113 calories, 10.3 grams of protein, 2.3 grams of fat, and 14.9 grams of carbs. I will probably have at least 2 of these cookies here and a bag of Smart Pop popcorn for my snack, bringing that snack for a total of 467 calories, and my overall calories for the entire day, 2173. I will probably eat that off camera while I'm at the gym just training some people, but I thought I'd give one of the cookies a little bit of a taste test, let you know how it is. So let's go ahead and give this bad boy a bite, shall we? So for the cheesecake part, right, they had you use a fat-free cream cheese. So that little like white spot right there, that's what the fat-free cream cheese is. That kind of just got into the cookie. So I'll give this side a bite too. You know, I don't hate it. And I'm not like crazy in love with it. But I think the idea of being on prep and like eating a cookie, it just kind of gets me, I think it just kind of gets me going a little bit. And so I kind of like it. Out of 10, I think I would give this like a 7 out of 10 for it being 110 calories, 10 grams of protein. It's you know, it was my first time making them. It's not bad, honestly. I mean, yeah, no, it's good. Would I eat it again while I'm on prep? Yeah, I think I would, to be honest with you. So I'll leave the entire recipe for that in the description down below. Give it a taste test. Let me know how it is. I'll leave the Instagram post link in the description as well. You guys want to go check it out. The guy that made them, like a recipe that I found it off of, probably a lot better. Honestly, did a lot better of a job than I did. I kind of burnt the blueberries a little bit because they kind of cook them. But give it a shot. Why not, my friends? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here we are with the last meal of the entire day. What we got going on here is a plate of loaded fries. We have 1 serving of fat-free cheddar cheese, 4.5 ounces of chicken with 109 grams of a russet potato, my friends, cut in the shape of a French fry using this little majigger here. Total calories for the entire day are 2434. Overall macros for the entire day is going to be 217 grams of protein, 325 grams of carbs, 50 grams of fiber, and 39 grams of overall fat. But let's go ahead and give this loaded French fry a little bit of a taste test. Get a fry, get some chicken, get some cheese on this bad boy here. Protein, carb, a little bit of fat. Here's also a little Diet Arnold Palmer. This right here, my friends, if you like tea and lemonade, 10 calories for the entire container. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap up these fries, last me the entire day. I'm going to go ahead and eat this, edit this video, and post it tomorrow, which is going to be Tuesday, April 6th, my friends. So another day, another episode, another video. Make sure to leave a like if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you guys are new. It's been your boy Joe. Peace.